Customer churn is when your customers stop doing business with you. It's one of the biggest threats to company growth. Every customer who leaves takes their revenue with them, and it costs 5 to 25 times more to acquire a new customer than to keep an existing one. Understanding and preventing churn is essential for sustainable business success. Let's look at the real impact of churn with some numbers. A company with 100,000 customers and a 5% annual churn rate loses 5,000 customers every year. That's 5,000 lost revenue streams. If each customer is worth $200 monthly, that's $1.2 million in lost revenue annually. Worse, acquiring replacement customers costs millions more. This is why churn is a critical business metric that directly impacts your bottom line. Churn happens for specific reasons. Poor customer service is the #1 driver, followed by lack of product features customers need. High prices, better competitor offers, and product quality issues also drive customers away. Many companies don't understand their churn drivers, which means they can't fix them. The key is to identify which specific reasons apply to your business so you can address them directly. To manage churn, you must measure it. There are 2 main metrics. Simple churn rate is the percentage of customers lost in a time period. For example, if you start with 100 customers and lose 5, your churn rate is 5%. Revenue churn measures the revenue lost, which is more important for business decisions. Calculate monthly churn by dividing lost customers by starting customers, then multiply by 100 for the percentage. Tracking these metrics monthly helps you spot trends and take action quickly. The best time to prevent churn is before it happens. Warning signs include decreased login frequency, reduced product usage, missed payments, and negative support tickets. Customers who engage less are 3 times more likely to leave. By monitoring these behaviors, you can identify at-risk customers weeks or months before they cancel. This early warning system is your competitive advantage. Think of retention in layers. At the bottom, you have acquisition and onboarding, where new customers learn your product. In the middle is engagement and support, where customers get value and feel heard. At the top is advocacy, where happy customers recommend you to others. Each layer matters. Poor onboarding leads to early churn. Weak engagement means mid-cycle cancellations. The strongest retention comes from building this complete pyramid from the ground up. Here are the most effective churn reduction tactics. First, improve onboarding by helping new customers succeed in the first 2 weeks. Second, provide excellent customer support through multiple channels. Third, regularly ask for feedback and actually implement customer suggestions. Fourth, create loyalty programs that reward long-term customers. Fifth, proactively reach out to at-risk customers with special offers or solutions. These tactics, when combined, significantly reduce churn rates. A retention playbook is your step-by-step guide to keeping customers. Start by defining your churn goals, like reducing churn from 5% to 3%. Map out your customer journey and identify critical touchpoints. Create templates for win-back campaigns. Document your support escalation process. Set up automated alerts for at-risk customers. Assign ownership for each initiative. The playbook becomes your team's reference guide for consistently reducing churn across the entire organization. Implementing churn prevention takes time. In month 1, audit your current metrics, identify your top churn drivers, and select 2 priority tactics to implement. In month 2, launch your early warning system and begin at-risk customer outreach. By month 3, measure your results and refine your approach. Most companies see measurable improvements in churn rates within 90 days of implementing these strategies. Consistency and continuous improvement are key to long-term success. Remember these key points. Retention is far more profitable than acquisition. Churn is measurable and preventable with the right approach. Early warning signs enable timely intervention. Data-driven decisions significantly reduce churn. Now, take action. First, audit your current churn metrics to understand where you stand. Second, identify your top churn drivers specific to your business. Third, implement an early warning system to catch at-risk customers early. Fourth, build your retention playbook with your team Every customer you retain is profit gained. Start today.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.